Alright, good afternoon students. Now let us do a few questions from exercise 5.3 arithmetic progressions. Okay, arithmetic progressions. This is chapter number 5. Okay, this is chapter number 5 and page 113. Okay, I have done questions 1, 2 and 3. Okay, this is from question number 4. Remember, if you like the videos, please make comments, like the videos, subscribe to it, and above all, you can ask questions also in the comment section. Alright, how many terms of the AP? Okay, so we have got the AP 9, 17, 25, ... must be taken to give a sum of 636. So S of n, sum of the n terms is given as 636. Alright, and number of terms we don't know. Okay, n you want to find number of terms. The first term of the AP is 9. The common difference D is equal to 17 minus 9. Okay, that is 8. Okay, 17 minus 9, 25 minus 17, that is 8. Now you want to find, therefore, S of n is equal to n by 2 into bracket 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Okay, so S of n is given as 636. 636 is equal to n by 2, alright, into 2a. 2 into a is 9, so 9 2s are 18, n minus 1 into d is 8. Okay, so 636 multiplied by 2 is equal to n into bracket 18 plus 8n minus 8. Okay, so you get 636 into 2 is equal to n into bracket 18 minus 8 is 10 plus 8n. Okay, take out 2 common. 636 into 2 is equal to 2 into n. I have taken out 2 common. 2 5s are 10, 2 4s are 8. Alright, take 2 on this side, 2 will cancel out. So you get 636 is equal to 5n plus 4n square. Okay, open the bracket. So therefore 4n square, okay, plus 5n minus 636 is equal to 0. Alright, now if you cannot simplify this, if it's not possible to simplify this, because you see it's not, this is 5, so it has to be divisible. This is not divisible by 5. So 636 into 4. Okay, 636 into 4. 4 6s are 24. Okay, 4 3s are 12. 4 6s are 24. 4 3s are 12 and 2 14. 6 4s are 24 and 1 25. 2544. That is if you multiply it. Now of course you can actually take factors of 2 5 4 4. Alright, these numbers are such that the numbers have become quite high. Alright, so if I take for example now, okay, 11 2s are 20. Will it go by 5 and 4 4 5 6? It will not go by 11, but it will definitely go by 2. 2 12s are 24, 2 7s are 14, 2 2s are. It will still go by 2. Okay, 2 6s are 12. Okay, 2 3s are 6. Alright, so therefore it will still go by 2. 2 3s are 6. Okay, 2 8s are 16. Still by 2. Okay, 2 15s are 30, 2 9s are. And now it will go by 3. 3 5s are 15, 3 3s are 9. Okay, 53. Now 53 is a prime number. Okay, so now 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16, 16 3s are 48. 48 and 53. So 4n square plus 53n minus 48n minus 636 is equal to 0. Alright, now you can see the numbers are big, so that's why this is the problem. Okay, so if I take n common here, okay, 53 minus n 53 minus 48 will be equal to plus 5. Okay, and 53 into 48 would be minus 636. All right, so now if I take n common, okay, so I get 4n plus 53. And here if I take 48 common, okay, or if I take 12 common, 12 4s are 48, 4n plus, because the sign will change, there is a minus sign out here, and this will become 12 5s are 60, 36, and 12 3s are 36. Okay, so you get 4n plus 53 and n minus 12 is equal to 0. Therefore, n is equal to minus 53 upon 4, or n is equal to 12. N is equal to 12. But n cannot be minus. Okay. But n cannot be equal to minus 53 upon 4. Because number 1, it's a fraction. And number 2, it's negative. Therefore, n is equal to 12. Now the question says, how many terms must be taken? So therefore, n terms, 12 terms must be taken. 12 terms must be taken to make the total 636. Okay, how many terms should be taken to make the total 636? N should be 12. All right. Now let us take another question. Okay, and that is question number 5. Question 5. The first term of an AP is 5. So you got A is equal to 5. The last term of the AP, L, that means your A of n. The last term of the AP is 45. So the first term of an AP is 5, the last term is 45, and the sum is, that means sum of n terms is given as 400. All right. Find the number of terms and the common difference. You want to find n and you want to find d. Okay. So now, first of all, A of n is equal to 45, last term. So S of n is equal to n by 2 into bracket. You can write A plus L. This is the other formula, last term. Okay. So therefore, S of n is given as 400. N by 2 we don't know. Okay. A is the first term, which is given as 5. And last term is given as 45. 45 plus 5, 50. 50 divided by 2 is 25. So therefore, n is equal to 400 divided by 25. So n is equal to 25 ones are 25, 25 6s are. So 16. So number of terms is 16. Now we want to find d. Now you can see A of n is equal to A plus n minus 1 into d. A of n is 45. The first term is 5. Okay. Now n is 16 minus 1 into d. 45 minus 5 is 40. Okay. 16 minus 1 is 15d. So, okay. 16 minus 1, 15. 15d. 45 minus 5 is 40. 40 upon 15. So 5 8s are 40, 5 3s are. So d is equal to 8 upon 3. Now if you get a fraction like this, don't be worried about it. Okay, that it is wrong or something. It's not necessary. You can get any value here. You can even get d can also be negative also. Alright. Number 6. What does 6 say? The first and the last term of an AP are 17 and 35, 350 respectively. So the first term is 17. The first term of an AP is 17, and the last term, that is A of n, last term of an AP is 350. The last term of an AP is 350. If the common difference is 9, okay, so common difference is 9. Then how many terms are there and what is their sum? So n, and you want to find S of n. Okay, how many terms and the sum of n terms. So first of all, we are given last term. Okay, A of n is equal to A plus n minus 1 into d. Okay, now A of n is equal to 350. The first term is 17, n we don't know, and d is given as 9. Okay, so now 350 and 350 minus 17. 350 minus 17 is 333. Okay, and then divide by 9 is equal to n minus 1. So n minus 1 is equal to 9 3s are 27. Okay, 9 3s are 27 and 3 and 3 60. 9 7s are 63. Okay, so n is equal to 38 terms. Okay, 38 terms. Now you want to find S of n. S of n is equal to n by 2 into bracket a plus the last term. This is the second formula for S of n. Okay, so now you can put the values. S of n will be equal to S of 38. N is equal to 38. So 38 divided by 2 into bracket a, first term, last term. Okay, so now S of 38 divided by 2 is 19 and 350 plus 17 is 367. 367 into 19, multiply it and you can get the answer for S of 38. So 367 multiplied by 19, and that is equal to 6973. 6973. 6973 is the answer S of 38. Again, you can see these are not difficult problems at all. Okay, that was question number 8. So question number 6. Now question number 7. Okay, this was question number 6. Question number 7 says that find the sum of first 22 terms. So S of 22. Find the sum of first 22 terms. S of 22 is question mark. Okay, of an AP in which D is equal to 7. D is equal to 7 and 22nd term is 149. 22nd term, that is A of 22. 22nd term is equal to 149. 149. Alright, so now we apply the formula. 22nd, A of 22 is equal to A plus 22 minus 1 into D. A of 22 is given as 149. A we don't know, first term. 21 into D. D is given as 7. So therefore A is equal to 149 minus 7 2s are 14, 147. That is equal to 2. So A is equal to 2, your first term. Now you want to find find the sum of first 22 terms. Now you want to find S of 22 also. That is n by 2. Okay. 2a plus n minus 1 into D. Now S of 22 you want to find. So 22 upon 2 into 2 into a. 2 2s are 4. 22 minus 1 is 21. You want to find S of 22 and D is given as 7. So 11 into 4 plus 147. Okay, so you get 11 into 151 and 11 into 151, 11 multiplied by 151, and that is equal to 1661. Okay, there you are. Now these problems are, unless there is a small simple mistake like multiplication division, most of them are very easy to follow also. All right, let's do number 8. Find the sum of the first 51 terms of an AP. So S of 51, that is what you want to find. Find the sum of the first 51 terms of an AP whose second and third terms. Second term A of 2, the second term 14, and the third term find the sum of the first 51 terms whose second and third terms are 14 and 18 respectively. Okay, now you can see second and third terms are given, so therefore D is equal to A of 3 minus A of 2, and that is equal to 18 minus 14, and that is equal to 4. Okay, so D aa gaya. Now A of 3 is equal to 18. Okay, is equal to A plus 3 minus 1 into D. Alright, see this, A of 3, okay, so 18 is equal to A, we don't know, first term, 3 minus 1 into 2D. So 18 is equal to A plus D, D is 4, 4 2s are 8. So A is equal to 18 minus 8, and that is equal to 10. So A is equal to 10. Now you got your A, you got D, okay, now you want to find S of 51. Therefore, S of 51 is equal to 51 upon 2, okay, into bracket 2A. A is 10, so 2A is 20. Okay, 51 minus 1 is 50 into D. D की value 4 है. So you get 51 by 2 into 54 is 200 plus 20, 220. 220 divided by 2 is 110. Okay, and 110 multiplied by 51 is equal to 5610. 5610. Alright, so you can see, once you know the formulas and once you know what is given, it is very easy to follow. There is hardly any problem here at all. Alright, let's do a few more. Number 9. Okay, number 9 says, number 9, if the sum of the first 7 terms of an AP, the sum of the first 7 terms of an AP is 49. The sum of the first 7 terms of an AP is 49, and the sum of the 17 terms, S of 17 is equal to 289. Okay, find the sum of n terms. S of n, sum of n terms is equal to question mark. If the sum of 7 terms is 49, sum of 17 terms is 289, then find sum of n terms. So first of all, S of 7 is equal to 49 is equal to n by 2. N means 7 by 2. Okay, n by 2 into bracket 2a plus 7 minus 1, 6d. Okay, so 49 is equal to 7 upon 2. Take 2 common और ब्रैकेट में a plus 3d. 2 will cancel out. 7 को इस तरफ, 7 7s are 49. So therefore you get a plus 3d is equal to, remember 7 7s are 49. This is your equation number 1. Alright. Also S of 17 is equal to 289. And that is again n by 2, 17 by 2 into bracket 2a plus 17 minus 1, 16d. Okay, now again 289 is equal to 17 by 2. Take out 2 common into bracket a plus 8d. Okay, cancel out 2. 289 divide by 17. 17 17s are 289. So 17 is equal to a plus 8d. This is equation number 2. Okay, so therefore now solving both equations now. Now all we have to do is solving both equations. The first one is a plus 8d is equal to 17, and the other one is a plus 3d is equal to 7. Okay, now we subtract them, minus minus minus. So 8d minus 3d is 5d, 17 minus 7 is 10, therefore d is equal to 2. Alright, now you got d is equal to 2. So now if you got d is equal to 2, take any one equation. Therefore, a plus 3d is equal to 7. D is 2. So, therefore, a plus 3 2s are 6 is equal to 7. So, a is equal to 1. 7 minus 6. So, you got your first term, you got your d. Now, you want to find S of n. Therefore, S of n is equal to n by 2 into bracket 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Okay, now just put the values. S of n will be a general formula. N by 2 into bracket 2a. A is 1. 2 1s are 2. N minus 1 into d. D is given as 2. Alright. So now generalizing. Just simply simplifying this formula. N upon 2. Okay. Into bracket 2 plus 2n minus 2. Open the bracket. 2 2 cancel. N upon 2 into 2n. This 2 plus 2 minus 2 will cancel out. 2 2 cancel and you get n square. Therefore, S of n is simply n square. Okay, that was number 9. Let us do one more of this type. Number 10. And now you can see these problems are not at all tough at all. Okay, these questions are not tough at all. Let us see number 10. Okay, we have got A1, then A2, then A3, and so on up to AN and so on. Okay, where AN is defined as, in the first case, AN is equal to 3 plus 4n. Now what are we supposed also form an AP where AN is defined is that also find the sum of the first 15 terms in each case. Therefore AP क्या होगा देखो. Okay, AP A of n is given as 3 plus 4n. अगर n is equal to 1, then you will get 3 plus 4, that is 7. If n is equal to 2, 4 2s are 8 plus 3, 11. If n is equal to 3, 3 3s are 9 plus 3, 3 3s are 9 plus 3. If n is equal to 2, 4 2s are 8 plus 3, 11. If n is equal to 3, 4 3s are 12 plus 3, 15. Okay, if n is equal to 4, 19, and so on. So that means your first term is 7, and your common difference is 11 minus 7 is 4. Common difference is 4. Now it also says find the sum of the first 15 terms. Therefore S of 15 is equal to n by 2, okay, into bracket 2a plus n minus 1 into d. So S of 15 will be 15 upon 2. 2a, a is 7, 7 2s are 14. 15 minus 1 is 14 into d. d is equal to 4. 14 into 4. So 15 upon 2 into 14 to that to 56. 56, 66 and 4, 70. So 50 multiplied by 35. Okay, 15 multiplied by 35. And that is equal to 525. 525. And the second one in this case, A of n is defined as what? A of n is 9 minus 5n. A of n 9 minus 5n. Okay, and therefore this is also the same type. You see, AP will be what? AP, excuse me, if n is equal to 1, 9 minus 5 is 4. If n is equal to 2, 5 2s are 10. 9 minus 10 minus 1. If n is equal to 3, 5 3s are 15. 9 minus 15 minus 6. If n is equal to 4, 4 5s are 20. Minus 9 minus 11. Okay, and so on. So A is equal to 4. Okay, and minus 1 minus 4 is minus 5. So D is equal to minus 5. Okay, minus 11 minus 6 plus 6. 6 minus 11 is minus 5. So now you can see it's a decreasing AP because the value of D is negative. It's a decreasing AP. This is an increasing AP because the value of D is positive 4. Alright, now you got A and D. You want to find S of 15. Okay, find S of 15 in both cases. That is what it is said. We have formed the AP, we have got A, we got D. Now find A, S of 15 into bracket 2A plus n minus 1 into D. S of 15, 15 upon 2 into bracket 2 into A. A is equal to 4. Okay, 15 minus 1 into D. D is minus 5. So you get 15 upon 2. Okay, 4 2s are 8. 15 minus 1, 14. 14 5s are 70. Minus 70. So you get 15 upon 2 into 70 minus 8 is 62. Minus 62. So you get 15 multiplied by minus 31. That is equal to minus 15 ones are 15. 15 3s are 45. 465. Okay, there you are. So you can see that the 10 problems that we have done so far, there are totally 20 problems. Okay, we'll do the remaining 10 tomorrow. We should be able to finish the exercise. But you can see these 10 problems, the first half which I have done, they are not at all difficult at all. Okay, they are quite easy to understand and there should be no problem. formulas. It's all about formulas, formulas and formulas. You got to know the formulas. If you don't know the formulas, there is no way you can solve these problems. So make sure that you practice them at home. Understand it. If you have questions, okay, like the videos, make a few comments. If you have a question, please make your question in the comment section. Also, if you have not subscribed, please subscribe to the video. Meanwhile, take care and stay safe. Thank you.